Okay, so your feet are on the bar. So one last way that you can create that strength. So we've got the right position. We've worked out how to see if somebody's working evenly. One more way to activate the legs, which is a thing that you often won't feel if you're strong in this exercise. Go ahead and come into your position. You've got yourself even, figured out your spacing. You can feel as though you're dragging your heels towards each other, and that activates the legs. Go ahead and try pressing out and in, dragging the heels towards each other. Good. And then another cue that Jay gave me that I really like is press out and now pull the carriage all the way in. You're in charge of the springs. Make sure that they close at the bottom. And then press the carriage out, and you're in charge of the springs. Close the springs. Good.